Today we're going to be talking you through the recently released and long-awaited Kia Rio GT-Line. We're going to be starting with the exterior features, working our way to the interior features, and then finishing up with the performance and handling aspect of the car.
New Rio GT looks completely different to any other Rio of the past with its all-new bold look and sporty styling. The Rio GT now comes with some active safety technology like lane keep assist, autonomous emergency brake with forward collision warning system, and also driver attention alert. GT now features a 1 litre turbo GDI engine. This is a 3-cylinder producing 88 kilowatts of power, and it's a first for Kia Australia. The boot's big enough to fit pretty much everything that you need. You can also fold down the rear seat 60-40 split to fit larger items. At the back of the Rio you've got rear parking sensors and a rear camera, making it one of the easiest cars to park.
Moving to the interior now, you really quickly notice the stylish layout of this vehicle. We're talking about the carbon fibre finish and these really gloss black sort of finishings here as well.
Apple CarPlay allows you to download different apps that you have on your phone and put them straight onto your car. You can get things like Waze, Google Maps and Spotify. Another first for Kia Australia is the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. It also features idle stop go, which saves fuel when you pull up to the set of lights. The Rio GT has had its suspension designed and developed in Australia, meaning it handles our roads perfectly and also with a sporty feel. Stillwell Kia is Adelaide's largest Kia dealer. You're more than welcome to pay us a visit at 17 Main North Road, Medindie, or give us a call on 8269 7199.